Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. Tuxedo Kitten today. I've done this same photo before and I love this pose, so here we go again. And we're going 3 times the speed and I'm voicing over here, just getting my shapes in. Just getting a feel for Kitty. Just want to capture that really innocent look. Innocent, but maybe I'll be up to trouble in the next few seconds or so. As we know cats too well. Slow down and get a good job on this little face here. Sometimes I like to put the pupils in before the bottom eye line. Sometimes I feel like I get a better look that way. Try different things. Find what works for you, and just don't feel like you have to keep doing that. Try new things and play and you'll find your way. Your art is always evolving. You can never just say, okay, I've found my style. It's a journey, not a destination. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment about yourself or your cat or where you live in the world or whatever. Just say hi. Get those tuxedo markings in. You gotta be a little more crucial here, get things in the right place so they look convincing with those lovely toe beans. That's what I really liked about this photo. All the cute parts are showing. I like the look I've got on Kitty's face. And we're going to speed up right away here to 4 times the speed, so not a whole lot quicker. I've got one eye more wide open than the other, but really that's ideal because it really adds to the expression. I've known people that will try to fix the eyes, they both look exactly the same, and then your drawing ends up looking overworked and it loses that character. Faces are dynamic and they change from second to second, and you get more life into it, I think, if you just allow the little imperfections. There's a fine line between correcting and overcorrecting. A hint of a bit more of tuxedo markings there because I wanted that tuxedo marking at the top there too, rather than just on the bottom of the side. Right, those ones there. Okay, we're speeding up to 8 times the speed here now while I kind of block in some suggestions of the tuxedo markings. I like to darken up the eye sockets when I do markings like this, the area around the eyes, because it helps the eyes sink back into the eye sockets a little better. And I mucked with this marking between the eyes too a bit. I like how I ended up with it though. And we're going to slow down again while I put some whiskers in. Thank you so much for watching today. Hope to see you next time.